Alright, third try with our 20-foot bull tail leader, 15,000 pound line pull. Let's see if we can catch these fish. Oh. Yeah, fight him! Look at Garrett. Look what we got. Oh yeah. Never lose a catch when you use a link belt fishing rod.
Look, it caught him from the underside too.
Oh shit.
Come down to him.
Oh shit, I forgot to keep going.
Get one down.
Here, let me take it.
Nice one.
Nice one. That link belt fly rod catches them all the time.